This tiny boat is a bit of a struggle. Nice work. We rocked up at Coral Bay this morning. I got into the Caravan Park about 11 o'clock, so nice and early, set up, walked around the town, and now we're heading out to Five Fingers Reef. Apparently it's really good, so we've just aired down and we're ready to go. Hopefully we don't get stuck on the way there.
Hey guys, this is my boat here. Call her Zoe because she's an inflatable Zodiac. And yeah, I'm gonna try to go out, gonna put the motor on the back in a sec, and then yeah, gonna go out, see if we can catch anything, and if not, just have a buzz around the bay.
Pretty fancy here today on the beach.
Oh, wine oysters. Thank you, Chelsea.
Bradley's trying his first oyster.
Yep. Just got them off the rock, so let's try. They're good. Yeah, they're very salty, but that's good.
Today we drove from Coral Bay to 9 Mile, so it's $20 a night, $10 a person. Bradley was free because he's under 15.
14, so.
Not that you had to pay for it anyway.
Yeah.
It's packed. It's the start of school holidays today. Apparently it's only about 20 vans here usually, and I reckon there might be 100. Bryce has just got the drone up having a look at the water, and we've got some old lady on the other side of the dune here watching us fly, ready to tell us off even though we're not doing anything wrong.
So I was flying the drone before and I had a nice interesting run-in with some old bird out the back here, and as I was bringing the drone down, she comes running over this hill over the top here, and a dog comes flying down as well, and she's yelling and screaming at us, "You can't fly the drone, you're not allowed to fly it here, it's a caravan park, it's going to come and crash into my solar panel." And it was just a whole heap of garbage by someone that's uneducated about it. There's a few rules that come to mind when flying a drone. You've got to be above 30 meters and things like that. Stay away from people, don't fly directly over them, and stay away from airports. And from what I can see, there's no airports around here, there's no signs that say you can't fly the drone. We went and had a chat to the caretaker afterwards, and we got bailed up by another couple that were flying their drone yesterday and got the same treatment from this woman. And it really irks me and a lot of people when you get these park policemen that have been here for a couple months and cause a heap of trouble, and it just doesn't look good on the people that are trying to stay for long periods of time and do the right thing and have a bit of fun at the same time. So the caretakers gave her a blasting, and we're going to go have a couple drinks with some people next to her and see what she says. See if she has anything to say.
Hey guys, look what Chelsea's caught.
I'm just providing for the family. Got a couple of flathead. Bradley caught a massive puffer fish which took his line out.
Yep, took off one of my hooks completely. Just bit it straight off.
We're going into Exmouth this morning to run some errands. We need to go to the tackle world here. We haven't been to a decent tackle shop that's reasonably priced in a while. So we need to do a big stock up there, and then we're going to the post office. For the last month or so we've been getting heaps of post directed to Exmouth here.
When we organise our post for while we're away and wanting stuff ordered online, we always make sure we send it well in advance. Most post shops give you about 6 weeks to collect whatever items you've ordered. we got onto the Australia Post app, and what happens is they give you a post collect number so that you can just put that on the address line. We just get it all sent care of whatever post office and put the address on it, and then that way we can rock up there, show them the parcel collect number, and that's all we need.
We're doing the Yardy Creek Gorge walk today. We're just checking out the area down here. It's really beautiful. There's heaps of people kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding.
We've come for a bit of a look down at Cape Range today, just checking out all the cool little beaches and bits and pieces around the place. We're at Lakeside now, we'll show you some of that. Osprey, what a couple of Turquoise Bay. There's some really cool snorkeling and swimming spots along here, and it's a great spot to come and stay down and camp at.
We're up doing sunset at the lighthouse. It's not far out of Exmouth on the Ningaloo Reef, and we're with our friends Mark and Sandy, just doing sunset drinks tonight. You have to follow them, they're wanderers at heart. I reckon this would have to be the most popular place in Exmouth of a night time. There's cars all the way down here, around the corner, and all the way down there as well.
We've come for a drive down on Town Beach at the moment. It's the only beach sort of in the Exmouth, Ningaloo area that you can drive on quite easily, and seems really hard, so there's no stress about putting your tyres down or anything like that, and you can drive all the way around to the point. There's another bit of a national park up there. The sea life out of Exmouth and around the place is just incredible. We're down on the beach here, and we just saw a couple big humpbacks cruising around out there, slapping away.
Found the funkiest cafe in Exmouth. So it's before you head down the road to Ningaloo. Had really great coffee, and Bryce had some homemade sausage rolls.
We have hit the absolute jackpot here. We are at Osprey Bay in Cape Range National Park. We're here for 3 nights, and this place is unreal. It's probably the most sought after campsite in the Cape Range National Park. There's a few other good spots, but the snorkeling out here is meant to be really good. The fishing out a bit further out, so we'll take the Zodiac out again. We couldn't actually ask for better weather at the moment. We're out in the Zodiac today, trying our luck, and the weather here is amazing. The water is clear blue, no breeze, and Chelsea's just been picked off.
A little bit moist in the boat right now.
Just gave Chelsea a facial.
Nah, I've been struggling with this massive fish for the last 5 minutes, and we got him in!
Check this big boy!
This tiny boat is a bit of a struggle. Nice work.
Finally got a big one.
Look at my foot next to him. That's how we got him in, because he swallowed the hook.
Check that big boy.
Yes.
He's gonna taste good tonight.
Bryce is on again.
I'm onto a big shark, and it's just,
Actual.
oh,
You're gonna lose all your line. Holy shit. Oh, and then I've got one on my line too. Oh God. Do you want to tighten it, Bryce, and lose the shark? You're gonna lose all.
I'm gonna bring him in.
Oh my God. I just thought we had a turtle on there at first.
Yeah, no, that is a shark, and that is a decent sized shark.
Oh.
We'll get him in the boat.
Yeah, it'll be fine in here. That bare feet. Right, you got all your line back, you just snapped it off right at the end. That's
It took 150 metres.
Oh, is that how much? 150 metres worth of your braid? Oh my God.
But we're getting
That's right, we were never actually going to get him in the boat.
It was too big to be in it. He's alright. What do you reckon? Went out the second time and Chelsea managed to snag one of these as well.
Bigger than Bryce's.
Nah.
No.
This one come in at 50 centimetres and the other one was about 60 centimetres. So nice, good day out in the water.